Assalamualaikum 7th class. Hope you are all fine. Computer science subject, unit number 3, more on Word. Students, in the previous lecture we have studied about changing zoom setting and splitting a document into separate sections. Now today we are going to start our new topic 3.2 and it's on page number 57, editing text. The process of adding, removing and rearranging the text in a document is called text editing. In order to edit text, first it is selected and then any operation is performed. Students, Microsoft Word provides many options to customize the process of editing documents. There are several views and tools in Word that allow you to make and see changes to your document in a preferable method. Topic 3.2.1, Inserting and deleting text in document. In Word 2010, there is an insert mode which works in the same way as processing insert key in the previous versions. Insert mode replaces the existing text with new text. To replace one word with new word, perform the following steps. Number 1 is bring the insertion point left to the word. Number 2, type new word. To replace a sentence or paragraph with new one, perform the following steps. Number 1, select the sentence or paragraph. Number 2, start typing new text. The existing text will be replaced with new text. Now we will perform these steps practically. Now students, as you can see, the Microsoft Word window. Bring the insertion point left to the word. For example, I am moving my cursor to the left to the word. Now you can write any text, that Microsoft window. Now to replace a sentence or paragraph with new one, you have to select the sentence or paragraph. Now I am going to selecting a sentence and start typing the new line, inserting a line in my text. You need to know this, students. In Word 2010, insert mode must be enabled before use. If it is not enabled, perform the following step to enable it. First one is go to the file, then options, then advanced. Check the use the insert key to control our type mode. Then click OK button. As you can see in the diagram, first you have to click the file, then options, then advanced. Then check the use the insert key to control our type mode and click OK button. Now the insert key will work as toggle key to insert text. Next one is deleting text. In order to delete from the documents, perform the following steps. Number 1 is to delete one letter at a time. To the left of the cursor, press backspace key. Number 2, to delete one letter at a time. To right of the cursor, press delete key. Number 3, to delete a word, sentence or paragraph, select the text to be deleted and then press delete key or backspace key. Now we will perform these steps practically. Now students, for deleting any letter at a time, you have to move your cursor to the left, click it and press backspace key. And if you want to delete one letter at a time, to the right of the cursor, press delete key. You can see the difference. Now if you want to delete a word, sentence or paragraph, select the text that you want to delete and press delete key or backspace key. The text will be deleted. Practical work. Open a blank document in Word 2010. type is equal to round brackets and press enter key, a text consisting of 3 paragraphs will appear on the screen. Insert the word computer by replacing the first word of the first paragraph. Replace the second paragraph with the following text. Computer is an electronic machine. It is being used in every sphere of life. Now we will do this practical. I am going to write is equal RAND round brackets and press enter key. You can see a text is consisting of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 paragraphs. Now I am going to insert the word computer by replacing the first word of the first paragraph. Like the first word of first paragraph consists of video. Now I am going to replace it with the word computer. Now replacing the second paragraph with the text of computer is an electronic machine. It is being used in every sphere of life. You have to select the line, then write computer is an electronic machine. It is being used in every sphere of life. Students, you have to practice this practical. Today we are going to cover exercise A, question number 7. What is meant by text editing? Its answer is on page number 57. The process of adding, removing and rearranging the text in a document is called text editing. In order to edit text, first it is selected and then any operation is performed. You have to learn this question.
And you will also have to perform this activity.